how to change theme on Instagram. Now, if you want to change a theme of a message on your Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on this message button right here and click on one of your messages, let's say right here. Now, as you can see, I have a theme on this message. But if I want to change it or add a theme to my message, all I have to do is to tap on this person's name right here. And you will be able to see various settings that I can change about this. So I can change the privacy of our messages. I can change the theme. I can also create a group chat with this certain person. Now, if I want to change the theme of this Instagram chat, all I have to do is to tap on theme right here, and it will give me various options to choose from. Now, let's say I want to change it to Splash, or I can change it to other things that Instagram has catered me to. Now, let's say pizza right here. Now, if I tap on that, we'll be able to see if I go back to our message that our conversation has been changed into the theme that I changed it to be. So that's how to change theme on Instagram. Hope we help.